Mamma mia. Lemon, orange, and ricotta cake. Illegally gorgeous! Just like you! Ingredients. Welcome everybody to another gorgeous recipe with yours truly. Today, I am creating out of nowhere this gorgeous citrus ricotta cake delight. It is soft, it is deliciously fragrant with zestiness and perfect for the springtime. Let me show you how incredibly it is. Sure. Let me show you how it all comes together. Super easy, all in one batter, and then we bake it. I'm gonna try something crazy. We're gonna do it all in one blender. Ricotta, sugar, we zest the orange and the lemons. Whenever you're using orange, citrus peels in general, make sure the fruits are organic, that you wash them. Sometimes they use wax. You definitely do not want that in your cake. The juice of one lemon. And now the juice of half of the orange. We are not using seed oils. This is avocado oil instead. Three whole eggs. Okay. And now double of flour with baking powder. Give it a nice toss together. I'm taking a little moment here to show you this pane angeli. It's our Italian version of baking powder. It has a little vanilla essence in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. You know, in every recipe that we know in Italy, they always call it for one packet of pane angeli for cake, right? We ultimately always translate it in the written recipe. What would be the equivalent of baking powder? But I just wanted to let you know that this is on Amazon. Great buy. Now we sift the flour. I don't always sift flour. I think it's always good measure to do that, just in case there's big clumps and it doesn't really get caught in the mix. So you definitely don't want these pockets that explode inside the cake. This is all nice and sifted. We added to our mixture. Again, everything is happening in one blender. The final mix. The mix of all mixes. Shake it a little bit to settle. And now it's ready to go and bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. And this, of course, deserves a little powdered sugar. Just gorgeous! Nonna would be proud! This cake is the perfect breakfast or mid-afternoon tea companion to your little hot drink or cold. It doesn't matter. You have to make it. Share it in the royal court. Let me know how it came out. It's absolutely divine. Just like all of you. See you next week.